everyone, we are going to continue combining and doing the things we've been working on in the last few lessons, graphing equations and finding their solution. So when the two equations have the same x and y value at the same time. And then if an equation is in standard form instead of slope-intercept form, we want equations in this for graphing. Y equals 2x minus 3. This means my y-intercept is -3. My slope is 2. That's easy to graph. This is harder to graph. So I need to change this into slope-intercept form. And then we'll see if there's one solution where the two lines cross, and 0 solutions where the lines are parallel, or infinite solutions where it's the same line just sitting on top of each other. They're equivalent equations. Okay, so the first thing I do when I'm going from standard form to slope-intercept form is I add the opposite of the x term to both sides. I'm trying to get y all by itself on the left, like this. So it looks like this. So that's gone. I have 2y equals 4x plus 2. My last step is to divide every term by the number in front of y. So it's just a y. Divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. So that cancels. Now I have y equals 4x divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2x. 2 plus 2 is 1. Interesting. So now I have two equations. Y equals 2x minus 3. Y equals 2x plus 1. They've got the same slope, but different y-intercept. Let's see what happens when we graph it. And again, I note if it's a whole number, I can put it over 1, rise over run. So starting at -3, my y-intercept is -3. I'm going to go up 2, right 1. Positive 2 up, rise 2, run 2. Rise 2, run 2. Rise 2, run 1. Rise 2, run 1. All right. I've got enough points here that I can make a line. Okay, now I'm going to graph this one. So my slope is a whole number, so I'm going to put it over 1. So I just know rise over run. I start at 1, positive 1, and I go up 2, right 1, rise over run. Up 2, right 1, up 2, right 1. I'm going to connect the points on that line. Look, those two lines are parallel. They're never going to intersect because they have the same slope. They're going at that same rate of change and just starting in a different place. So I know here that there is the answer to this problem is no solution. You're not skipping out of work here or anything. It's just there is no solution. Those two lines will never intersect. This one's kind of like I had -$3 and got $2 more every day. My sister had $1 and she got $2 more every day. I'm never going to catch up with her. We're both getting the same amount of money every day, and I started out in debt and she started out with $1. We're never going to have the same money at the same time. Okay, that's the first example.